Okay friends, just open your settings application. Okay, then go to accessibility, select zoom option, second one. Okay, then you can turn on the zoom option from here. Just tap on that button, top right corner. Okay, read it, that is double tap the three fingers to zoom, and you can drag the fingers to move around the screen, and double tap three fingers to three fingers and drag it to change. So it is very useful whenever you have some problems with your eyes or vision. You can use this feature to read small letters and some areas which is terms and conditions where is used. Okay, so you can move this box, or you can move the screen inside the box by using three fingers. So that's the settings, and it is very useful for elder generation peoples, they which are suffering from the eye vision problems. So that's guys very simple option. You can simply turn on and turn off this feature from here. So that is, you can see here, and you can adjust other things like zoom controller, or zoom region, and zoom filter. So you can change the box type, box area, and other settings. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.